Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Douglastown is a charming little community located on the Gaspé Peninsula. This small village is part of the city of Gaspé and sits beautifully along the stunning coast of the St. Lawrence River. Douglastown has a rich history, with roots going back to the early 19th century when Irish immigrants first settled here. Douglastown is known for its strong Irish heritage, and you can still feel that unique cultural vibe today. The town has a lovely old church, the St. Patrick's Church, which is a key landmark and a reminder of the town's deep Irish roots. The community is tight-knit, and you'll often find residents gathering for local events, especially around St. Patrick's Day, when the town really comes alive with celebrations. The area is perfect for those who love nature, with beautiful coastal views, quiet beaches, and lots of outdoor activities like hiking and fishing. Douglastown's friendly atmosphere and stunning natural surroundings make it a great place to visit, relax, and explore. Whether you're here to learn about the history, enjoy the beautiful scenery, or experience the local culture, Douglastown is a wonderful little spot that's sure to leave you with great memories.
you.